The Buddha taught that the nature of mind is at peace, utterly pure, perfect, and empty. It is empty in the sense of being insubstantial. It also has a cognizant quality, a capacity to know. The ignorant mind is mistaken, confused. Being confused becomes a habit, and over countless lifetimes, this habit is reinforced and solidified. Every time thoughts and emotions form, we become caught up in them, instead of continuing to be confused and involved in thought activity. Simply relax your attention. That is the practice of shamatha. By training in being more and more relaxed, more and more calm, and thought activity will subside, so that there is a growing sense of clarity and stability.